large number of citizens gathered at Kampal to show solidarity and demand justice for victims of the Easter Sunday SWAT attack outside a city pub. Rafael da Costa and his friend Raju Sareen were brutally assaulted with a sword in the pre-dawn hours of Easter Sunday outside the down the road city pub. Rafael suffered serious injuries and lost his left eye in the attack. Interestingly, almost 2 weeks after the incident, the police are yet to recover the sword used in the attack, although the accused is in police custody since Easter Sunday. Sources said the Panjim police are in the process of requisitioning the services of the naval divers to retrieve the sword, which the accused Zain Almeida has reportedly confessed to have thrown it into the Mandavi River.
Such a case has happened for the first time in Goa. And I pray and I'm hopeful to the judiciary that the harshest possible punishment will be given to the culprit, so that it acts as a deterrent towards crime and anti-social elements in the future. Raju and Rafael, you are not alone in this battle. We are there with you at every step. And we will leave no stone unturned, however long it might take, to make sure that justice is done. Thank you once again, and thank you for coming out in such large numbers.
I'm come here, in fact, I'm come here in support of a friend, because how can I define Rafael in just simple word? He's a jewel of a he's a jewel of a person, and anything to happen to him is totally unfortunate, unacceptable. Now, I think this incident has happened in one of the prominent bar or whatever it is. There are so many young boys and girls who frequent that bar. So I mean to say this is going to set a bad example for the rest, in fact. Where the parents, because they don't see, one such incident puts a fear in the minds of the parents, whether my child is safe once he goes out for a party or something. So that fear should be removed. And I feel the police should do its job by patrolling such areas frequently. It should not be, basically only police should not be called once the incident happens. They should always be, there should be always, eyes of the police should always be wide open, in fact. I think this 100 jeeps are roaming all around. I think they basically are, they go to such places where they are not needed. They should be frequenting in these places and keeping an eye and safety for the people and for the youth of this. I think this is an isolated incident. See, once what has happened, the first and foremost is the discipline and the manners should come from the family members. It is how you bring up a child that is very important. If you feel that if you give a free hand to a child and you make him to go about doing anything and feeling that your dad or your mom is there after to protect, this is the way how the child will act.
See, just yesterday on the papers, my snap figured on the papers saying that I was there for the dog show and I have some connection with Mr. Almeida. Frankly speaking, for the last 20 years, I've been coming for the dog show. And I have no relation with this Almeida at all, Steve Almeida at all. I met him for the first day that day. As usual, I came with my wife and son for the dog show. That's the time he told me to just come and sit there. With no intentions, I came and I sat there on the chairs. So this doesn't mean I'm supporting him in any way. No way I'm supporting him. And just because I go for a dog show, I should not be dragged into such a controversy. And I will never support such a brutal attack on anybody. Never. Just last time also, Mr. Iris Rodriguez, he accused me that the Vasco headmistress was my relation because she has the same surname. And this time I am dragged into it because I went for the dog show. Please, I really don't want to be dragged in such controversies, and I want to be out of it. That's why, to show my solidarity, I came here to support. And such attacks should be, and as I spoke to Mr. Gupta yesterday, I told him if any politicians, anybody phone to help such guys, they should be dragged into this case. And such things should not happen again. I extend my full support. No, police have to take their time. They will do whatever is the best police know their work, so they will do their best.
Do you think reducing the bar timing would support such type of law and order situation maintenance?
Certainly, I feel.